What's going on, everybody? This is Vokes88 here with another unboxing video. I picked up some WWE Select blaster boxes from Target today. Got these for $29.99 each. They come with 4 cards per pack, 6 pack per box. And let me open up the packaging material so we can see what we can pull from here. Here's the box on the side so we can see. Looks like we can pull tigers and elephant prisms and cards numbered from 25 all the way down to 1. And we can also get some signatures, I believe. Yep. Alright. Here's the box. Got some Flash Prism Blaster exclusives. Alright, I was in Target trying to look for some the Upper Deck Marvel Spider-Man metal boxes, but they didn't have any in stock. And I saw these. I had quite a few of them. And I do like wrestling, so grabbed a couple boxes for us to open for the channel. And let's see what we can get. I do collect anything Sasha Banks. So if we get any of her cards, I'll be happy. Alright, here's the first look of the cards. Got a Kofi Kingston, Santos Escobar, got a Ofi Valkyrie, and then looks like we have a silver in the back. Oh wow, nice. What is this? Like a silver prism of the Rock. Alright. Yeah, that looks really nice. Let's leave this one up. Well, I think I'm already happy with the box. That's all we needed. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, let's go. That was only the first pack. So it's been a while since I watched WWE. I think I stopped last year. Might pick back up watching it again. We'll see. We have Mick Foley, Jordan Devlin. Got a Shelton Benjamin. And then in our back we have a Santos Escobar. I don't know what this is. What kind of parallel is this? Looks like a purple orange. I think it's not numbered. Oh, it's an NXT 2.0. Alright. So far I'm liking this. This is actually not too bad. I've watched hobby boxes open and there were a lot of hits in them. I think they were going for 150 when it first started. I think they're up now to 170, 180. Alright, here's Bruno Sammartino. Got a Becky Lynch. Jey Uso. And in the back, I believe this is one of the Flash Prisms, Blaster exclusive, and we have a Dusty Rhodes. Alright, this is some old school right here. We have a Shotzi, Katana Chance, Eddie Guerrero, and looks like we have another silver. Red, white, and blue Hogan. Wow. We are getting some good hits out of this box right now. That's a nice one. Go with the Rock. I'll sleeve this one up too. Yes, these boxes are not too bad after all. Oh, nice rookie. Cora Jade. It's a nice rookie card to get. Got an Indy Hartwell. Got an Angel. And then our last card in the back. Have a Cactus Jack. we're hitting all the good bets. And we also got that nice rookie right here with Cora Jade. Alright, last pack of first blaster. We have a Bailey. Well, if we could find Sasha Banks, would be nice. Drew McIntyre, Randy Orton, and then our Flash Prism is Brock Lesnar. Yeah, we are definitely hitting all the good ones on this box. Alright, let's go to the second box. So what do you guys think so far? Thinking about grabbing some of these? I don't know if I've seen these online in Target yet. But they should be coming out probably next week on the Tuesday drop if they have one. I might actually pick up some more. Let's see, depending on this second box. Let's see what it actually comes out to be. Got another Katana Chance, Indy Hartwell, Eddie Guerrero, and what we have here is a Kem Shamrock Silver. Is it a Prism? Mezzanine. It's not a silver or anything. All right. It's old school UFC guy. There we go, another Cora Jade. Angel, Bailey, and our Prism, Charlotte Flair. Another good wrestler. One of the top female wrestlers in WWE. Let's see about this Cora Jade rookie. We have 4 more packs. Randy Orton, Kofi Kingston, and in the back, is this an, what is this? Is an elephant? Wow, we just pulled a case hit of Alundra Blaze. I don't remember, wow, I don't remember who this is. That must be really old. Hall of Famer. Alright. Well, we just hit a case hit. That's awesome. Okay. And it says in the back she's a Hall of Famer, so I don't remember seeing her. Not too bad. Nice. Alright, 3 more packs. Yep, these boxes are worth it. About 30 bucks a piece. I've opened the WWE Prisms, and let me tell you, it didn't go so well. Got a Ronda Rousey. We have a silver of Nikki Ash. Alright, it's a nice one too. I don't know what they're doing with her character though. I liked it when she was just a crazy person, beating up on everyone. Now she looks like a superhero. Alright, 2 more packs to go. Got Shinsuke Nakamura, Raquel Rodriguez, rookie card of Odyssey Jones, and we have a Becky Lynch. Nice. Also one of the top female wrestlers out there. Last pack. Let's get a Sasha Banks, please. Should be in this. I saw the checklist. Should have them. She should be in here. Humberto, Shayna Baszler, and then we have, what is this? Global Icons. Wow. Oh, wow. Wait, look at that print line though. I don't think that's part of the design, but this is a nice card. Andre the Giant. I don't know what this is, what kind of card this is. I guess it's just an insert, but that's a really nice one. Well, that was it. 2 boxes, blaster boxes, and I can tell you right now, it is well worth the $30 I paid each for these boxes. Alright, let's go over to hits. We have a Silver Prism, The Rock. Got a Prism Dusty Rhodes. Andre the Giant. Got Becky Lynch, Nikki Ash. We have an Elephant, a Alundra Blaze, Cora Jade rookie card, another Prism of Charlotte Flair. We have this Ken Shamrock, Brock Lesnar, another rookie card, Cora Jade, Cactus Jack, and Hulk Hogan. Well, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and then I'll see you until next time. Bye.